three points that stuck out to me from our conversation was, I think the first is active selling time. And it's the astonishing fact that the reps are only spending 32% of their time selling. And I think the irony behind this is that there's all these tools in the tech stack which were originally sort of brought in to make reps more productive and spend more time selling. And I think the irony of that now is that these tools are becoming, there's so many of them. So people are working with 5 or 6 tools in their day to day, and therefore not really spending time actively selling. And that is a huge cost to the company. I think the second thing is around onboarding and enablement. I think that a lot of companies still treat, especially onboarding, as a bit of a tick box exercise, and I think that this is a challenge. I mean, I say to companies, like, if you want to, get fit or lose weight, you can't just go to the gym once. I think it's the same when it comes to training your reps. So it's not really giving people the right tools to succeed. And I think the third point is, which we're seeing more and more, is this aversion to cold calling. I think there is this perception that it's easier to email, it's easier to send LinkedIn messages, and I can send 50 emails instead of 50 phone calls, and that would be a lot quicker. And the consequence of that is it means that buyers aren't being reached in a unique way. Everyone that is a decision maker will sort of share with you that their email inboxes are flooded, their LinkedIn inboxes are flooded, they're not accepting connection requests on LinkedIn. People's email inbox, have the same subject line, 50 times over a week. And that's the cold calling aversion is something that does come with confidence, and it does come with skill. And that's why the onboarding and enablement piece is so intertwined in this, and that is so important. It has got to be addressed to really up the game in sales development.